Who is this from, Paigey?
Is that my book? Is it mine?
I don't know. See whose name is on it.
Or...
Whose name? Whitney, wait.
Come here, Whitney.
Mom?
Whitney, bring it here.
This one has Winnie's name.
Where?
Huh?
Good job.
Yep, and it says Paige.
Mom, are these
Okay, go sit down right there on the floor so I can see you and open them. Go sit down, Whitney. Right there.
Can you take the ribbon? When you want the ribbon off? Yeah. Oh, why did Santa put ribbons on?
These are from Linda
Why did Linda put ribbons on?
to make the package look pretty. Ah,
Did that hurt?
yeah, you dropped it on my foot.
Sorry. I want these ones.
Oh, these are from Greg and Amanda.
Yeah, not from Amanda.
Back up a little bit so I can see you. What animal is on the front, Paigey? A goose. I think it's a duck. Don't pick that off,
Hi.
because it's part of the book.
Hey, when did I help you?
No, let her do it.
When did helping her?
She can do it.
What?
You can help her.
What's hers? What is this? Is that see this? What is? Let me put it. What is see this? Let's see what Winnie does. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. Winnie's favorite.
Whitney, do you like your book? Can you say thank you?
Mama, how do we open it? Huh?
Say thank you, Amanda.
Thank you, Amanda.
Thank you, Greg.